Hello and welcome, Yarn Besties. It is I, the Crafty Crocheter, and so today I thought I would show y'all what I got in the mail today. And I recently got a subscription to Crochet World, so I got their Summer 2026 edition. And I'll go through this magazine with you so you can take a look at all the fun projects that they have in store for Summer 2026. They got 9 patriotic projects, colorful floral patterns, and stunning summer tops. I'm going to go ahead and go over this with you right now. So I'm going to turn the page, and then this is the editor, the letter from the editor. And of course you got the table of contents with all the projects that are in this magazine. And then the first one we come across is the Sprouting Cotton Set. And use your scraps while practicing your crochet skills and the spun to make bag. Simple stitches create uniquely shaped strips that can be sewn together to form this cute little coin purse. So I'm gonna go, there's the bag, and then there up here is the little coin purse that you make from your scraps. And this looks to be a very simple, easy to do project. Then they got a close-up of the coin purse, and then they got close-ups of the stitch work for the bag. And then the next project they have is the lily pad pot holder. Petals are added to a circular base to create this floral beauty for your kitchen or dining room table. And then this is a close-up of the pot holder. This looks to be like a simple rounded project in the round. So this looks like a fun, easy to do project. Then the next one they have is the Let's Go Fishing Set. And then it says, coasters shaped like fish serve double duty in this playful set. Whether you're decorating a summer cabin, looking for the perfect gift for a fishing enthusiast, or simply wanting to add a splash of fun to your home decor, this set is the perfect project. Then in the picture, they got the different colors of the coasters. Kind of cutesy. And they even have this cute little net thing, this little net as well. Then the next project is the Scrappy Waves water bottle carrier. Now this would be perfect for those who carry those metal water bottles, whether you're exercising or hiking. Then for this fun ripple stitch water bottle carrier can be worked in any color combo to suit your personality or occasion. Again, you can do rainbows, you can do all sorts of different colors that you'd like. It even has a cute little handle too in this one part. Then we get to the section about learning to do Tunisian lace. And then I saw one, while I was going through this earlier, then they talk about, they got the simple stitch, and then they got the knit stitch, and then they got the Tunisian treble stitch, and the Tunisian double stitch. That's the double stitch, that's the treble stitch. And then the one that kind of was these two swatches here. They got swatch 1 and swatch 2. These looked very fun and interesting to do, so I may try that. I'm not going to go through all of these because that'd be a long video, so I'm just going to do some of the ones I'm seeing here. And the next one is the Swirls Baby Afghan, and that looks kind of cute, like one of those like little twirly candies that swirl around to the middle, like those little peppermints. And then it says, Tunisian lacework comes together in multiple colors in the swirling baby blanket. Oh, so this is using the Tunisian lacework you've seen in the previous pages. Oh, this one's a nice, like almost like Victorian-like type of doily. This is the Rose Song Doily. 3D thread work makes this large doily super fun to work up. So this looks like a fun project for someone who uses a lot of lace work or like very like crocheting thread. Now I have to be honest, this would be something that I would tackle because it would be like a challenge to see if I could do it. So I may do this one. And then here's a runner. This is a beautiful runner. It looks like a sunflower with bees on the bottom. This is the Flower and Bees runner. This is a fun to make fillet piece that can be used as a table runner or with cafe clips attached across the top. A pretty wall hanging. Oh, I can see that being a wall hanging. Yeah, wall hanging if you do it this way. Oh, this is another one I might try too. This is the Prairie Sunflowers Afghan. Look how pretty that is with all the sunflower squares that join together. And then chase away a stray summer chill with this pretty sunflower Afghan stitched in a medium weighted yarn. Oh, here's another pretty one too. This is this one is the Shadow Box Trellis Afghan. And look at that. Look at that design. It's kind of like almost like a 3D effect. Then for this one, it says, super bulky yarn will keep your legs warm in the air conditioning while you stitch this speedy summer project. I bet this would be a nice blanket for the winter too, because of the bulky yarn that they use for this project. Then here's another one. This one's gorgeous too. It's got the tassels on the bottom. And this is their Summer Skies Afghan. 2 strands of slightly different shades of the same color create depth in this Afghan filled with fun stitches. Yeah, I do like that. That is pretty. That is gorgeous. That'd be like a nice little summer Afghan. Then they got another one, this purple one. I think this will be the last one I'll showcase, and then I don't want to spoil all the fun for y'all. This is the Fallen Petals Afghan. Worked with 2 strands held together, this beautiful floral based Afghan will be off your hook in no time. Now, all these are fun summer projects to do. Like I said, I'm not going to go through this entire magazine because I want y'all to get this for yourselves and take a look at all the other projects that are within here. That is my breeze through of the summer 2026 edition of Crochet World. So it's available on newsstands now, or if you have a subscription, you should be getting it sometime this week. I got mine in the mail today, so I was excited when I got this, so I couldn't wait to start looking through this to find a project that I want to tackle. So hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another, help each other, be kind to one another, pay it forward if possible, love yourself and be true to yourself, and stay on top of your mental health because good mental health is very important any time of the year. And on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.